Okay, everybody, welcoming ourselves into the US session opening in 30 more minutes. Amazing. Thank God we took the exit. And this is whereby the reversal happened over here. Where was it? At the particular price of 1788.65. Just 10 pips shy away from our scalping zone, and then hence now it broke the purple box. So what should we do now? Simple. As I said, during every Friday, we wait for the US session to open. If we do take an entry, we have to exit it quickly. So, in 30 more minutes, we know that it has surpasses this level, and hence it's going to be playing in the upper region. Hence, with that being said, if you are willing to take the buy, then go for it. But for me, I will wait for the reversal because I'm usually a reversal trader into a new direction. So looking at this H4, where can it go? So firstly, look at this green overall box. If I were to zoom out into the daily, this is our previous daily hidden engulfing cell area. And in this green area is whereby potential critical sellers are living. So what we have been observing is it has cleared out all the sellers in here, and hence it will contest in the higher region. And do you guys remember that one point I said 1817 is a potential location? Simply because when we look at weekly right now, this is one candlestick that is blue, the second candlestick, and before the US open, it has now turned into a blue candle. So there is a high probability whereby it can close as a weekly bullish candle for gold. So if that is the case, where will it go minimum? So this is the time whereby I will delete all my charts and I'll start again for today. Meaning I will only find a critical level that is approximately 250 pips above me, 300 pips stops, and 300 pips down below me, max. And then I will put the boundary of it first. So meaning to say, I assure you gold will not surpass these two key level. So with that being said, I've put a parameter into my trading. Now I know where I can go deeper. So moving on, I will have to look at areas within the critical level. So what do I find? Look at this, engulfing buy. Oops. Let me change the color first. This is an engulfing buy. Meets an engulfing buy that was broken and meets an engulfing sell. So all this within the same zone. For example, over here, yada yada yada. So now, based off the daily area, this blue zone could be where it wants to go. But of course, it's a big zone, right? After having the daily area mapped out, we jump into the H1 within this area. Where are the critical moments of conjunction that gold dropped immensely? There is one over here. Let me delete the major box first. And there is one over here. So 1821.62 or 1827.15, around that area. This is for a critical sell in terms of the weekly perspective filtered down to the daily. So these are two fresh key levels that if it comes, it will produce massive movements. Now let's go filtering down into the lower area. Look at this epic daily sell. This daily sell has caused gold to drop more than fucking 2,000 pips. And hence, if I were to filter down into H1 and I will go here, where is the price? The price is literally where it is now. Over here. We are currently at the 1,000 pips sell area before. So with that being said, 1802 can be very dangerous for tonight in terms of volume perspective. So if the weekly is looking like a buy, All H1 needs to do is break this box of 1802 and then it can shoot up really hard. But for as long as it hasn't break for H1, what will happen is there is a tendency it can smack back down. So now we have filtered out the upper region of the area. So this is the critical zone for today. Now let's find the lower region of the area. In this particular zone, there is only one safe area to buy if the sell comes from this area, which is here. This hidden engulfing fail that formed an engulfing buy, an engulfing buy, and an engulfing buy. So this is the first pit stop, 200 pips lower than that. And the final one is on this critical key level, 1771.09. So meaning to say, in this perspective, we have how many zones? We have one zone that will decide it will smack down or up, and then we have one more zone in the weekly critical level, which is 1821 up till 1827 to sell. Other than that, it's not valid for this week. Okay, enjoy this madness of Friday. What to do? Let's see.